always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're actually gonna go over Supreme Week 3, which you guessed it is another Nike collaboration. This time we're not getting no sneakers, but we are getting some hoodies, some jackets, some beanies, pants, and a bunch more. If you guys are interested in more content like this, go ahead and leave a like on this video down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and want to enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video, and do not forget to click the Gleam link at the top of the description if you're trying to enter in a Supreme TNF shoulder bag giveaway. That's completely free. All you have to do is leave a like on the videos and subscribe to the channel down below. Make sure you do it through the Gleam link so you're able to actually enter in the giveaway. But without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. Today we are actually gonna just cover the items, let you know what I feel about these items, and then we'll get straight up out the building. It's looking like a pretty hefty drop list, so I do want to go ahead and cover it for you guys. All the way at the top, we do have the Mophie Power Station XL. This is basically the same portable charger shit that they always release in two colorways. We got the red and the black. I honestly don't even know if this is gonna have any type of resell or anything like that. I feel like they always release stuff like this, so honestly it's nothing too special. This one is wireless though, so if you're trying to just put it on the back of your phone, you can do that, which is pretty cool. Personally, I probably sleep on that item. It's an item that a lot of people pick up simply because it's useful. Normally when it comes to Supreme accessories, you could barely use the shits, let's be honest, but this one is definitely one that you can go ahead and use, so people do go for it. Okay, so right here we got the Supreme hoodie, which is like a quarter zip. This hoodie kind of reminds me of Tech Fleece, Nike Tech, or whatever they used to call it. That's what this reminds me of. I definitely do like that yellow colorway, and that blue color is hard as well. If I was to pick it up, I'd probably pick up the blue, knowing myself. The yellow is too Easter for me, but the black one is honestly a color you can always wear. Definitely a clean piece nonetheless. That yellow one is hard though, not gonna lie to y'all. We got some more pieces as well. Right here we got this Puffy jacket. I'm gonna try to open them in another tab because they are taking hella long to load, so you feel me, gotta be smart over here. But on this Nike Puffy coat, you have the Supreme branding on the inside. I am thinking that this is a reversible jacket simply because on one side you have all these little Nike logos, and then you have the Supreme branding on the inside of the neck, which I'm pretty sure if you flip that bitch around, it's gonna have it on the back, and it does say reversible Puffy, so I kind of am digging the vibes on this one. That black colorway you just can't go wrong with. The blue is clean too, but I feel like I wouldn't buy this item. Retail's probably gonna be mad expensive, to be honest. We do have this neck gator, I guess is what you would call it. It's almost like a face mask nowadays. I feel like this is gonna be the item that I personally go for, probably in the black color, so I could just wear it with everything. This is almost like a mask, and I am feeling it. I feel like nowadays you have to wear it, so might as well go out in style with the Supreme Nike mask. Technically it's like a neck warmer. This is kind of clean. If I was to pick it up, I'd probably go for the blue or the black. I don't know the retails on these items yet, but I can guarantee that this is gonna be one of the ones that does good resale wise, simply because of the situation that we're in nowadays. Definitely a piece that you might as well pick up because you're gonna need it, bro. You definitely gonna need it. This is kind of clean, so honestly those are some of my favorite pieces. As far as the Nike collab goes, I do like the face mask, the hoodie, the sweatpants are fire, the beanie is clean too. I just am not a fan of snakeskin that much, but I feel like the way that they implemented it is subtle, so it kind of does work. I'm gonna go ahead and talk about the Nike pants. I just don't see any Supreme branding on here whatsoever, so honestly I don't know if it's worth it. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, but right here we do have the beanie, which I feel like is super clean. I'd go for this in like the yellow colorway. The blue is fire. I feel like red is overdone and black is overdone as well. I already got me a black beanie on the way, so I'm good on that. This velour set right here is OD. Like, this is some Fat Farm shit. I do see more Supreme branding on this than the other pieces, which is retarded in my opinion. This piece is ass, bro. Who is picking up a velour Nike tracksuit in 2021? Let me know in the comments. This red with the navy is almost like a Tommy Hilfiger vibe. You got the tan with the brown. That's like, I don't even know what that is, but they're wilding with these pieces. I definitely will not be picking these up. We do have this shine hooded sweatshirt, which actually isn't that bad. It says maximum strength, Supreme New York makes everything shine. I'm pretty sure this is like a cleaning product that Supreme literally took their branding and just put the Supreme on it and called it a day. On this one, the vowels are in like red and then the other letters are in blue. This is kind of clean in that slate green-ish color. Definitely do like that one the most. If I was to pick it up, I'd probably get that, but I already am freaking my Supreme hoodie, which I love this hoodie a lot. So I don't think I need this piece right here. I'd probably just end up sleeping on it. If you are in the market for a Supreme hoodie, then hey, that might be for you, but I'm good on that piece low-key. Slight bars, close that. We do got this other beanie right here, which is like this all over print beanie, I guess. You do have the Nike branding all across it, and then you have a thin Supreme branding on it as well. I feel like this Supreme spell out, like the font that they used, I've never seen this before. I might be wrong, but that's just my feeling. That's high. We do got the Snakeskin Belt. Low-key, I can't really be buying belts. Your boy is out here losing the poundage, so I can't really be buying belts. Low-key, I might need some soon. That's another topic for another day. This belt is kind of ass. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Whoa, they are wilding with the velour pants. Those are so ass. Like, I can't even fathom, bruh. Who put that together in the design team? I feel like Nike be slacking, bro. They could definitely do some heat. Like, they could do some damage, but they just be dropping some ass shit. Like, the best thing from this whole collab is the sweats, the face mask, and the hoodie. And the sweats ain't even all that, to be honest. I do like that blue periwinkle color, but besides that, they're ass, bro. Now we're gonna get into the cheeks pieces. I feel like this week is low-key kind of a sleeper, if I'm being honest. We do got this Terry corduroy crusher. They wildin', bro. Like, this is some LL Cool J fucking Old Spice commercial type vibes on this one. We good on that. We got this cut logo. It's ass. Like, that ass though, what are they, like, what were they thinking? We got this cotton twill button-up shirt by Nike and Supreme. Like, who is asking for that? Definitely not me, and I'm pretty sure you aren't either, so it just doesn't make sense. We got this spray canvas camp cap. It's looking eye in that black and gray color. The other ones are just simply ass. We got this redneck crew neck over here. This one is just crazy, bro. Like, this is crazy talk right here. Neon blue, green, and yellow. Yo, if you walk into a blue light nightclub with this on, you're gonna be looking like people's veneers in the light. Like, this shit is looking crazy. But we do got these other two colorways which are equally as ass. We got the MAGA hat colorway, and then we do got the black and gray, which might be the better one, which it's still ass. Not gonna lie to y'all. We got this ripstop 6-panel. I just feel like there's way better hats than this. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This long sleeve top is ass too. Yo, this week is low-key kind of ass. And we got one more piece, which is the logo camo M65 jacket. This one I am gonna open in a bigger picture. I do think that this one says Supreme going all across it. So yeah, pretty much every little square that you see making up the camo is a Supreme box logo. This is a little bit too much. I do like how they subtly implemented that design feature, but to be honest, bro, we good on that. Like, we are gravy on that. We gravy on this piece. They need to take a seat with this one, and low-key with this whole drop, they just need to relax. Like, this could have been so much better. They could have even used the star theme that was on the dunks. Like, stupid, bro. It don't make no sense. That's the whole drop list. If there's any type of resell, it'll be the beanie, the face mask, maybe the quarter zip hoodie, and that's it. And I don't even think they'll have great resell. If there's anything that's gonna resell great, in my opinion, it's gonna be that neck warmer, maybe a beanie over here, slide to the left with it. I don't think the Mophie will do that good resell wise, simply because retail's probably gonna be pretty high on this, so I don't think there's that much profit margin to be made. That's just my take on all these items right here. Let me know what your favorite piece releasing this week is. We got a whole bunch of ass shit. Ripstop, MAGA, fucking kids drawing. We got the horrendous jacket coming out, cut logo, dookie. Everything is ass, bro. Like, low-key, this hoodie might be shining this week. Like, this might be one of the better pieces, simply because I like that like washed aqua color. That is pretty hard, but that Nike collaboration could have been so much better. I guess that pretty much does it for this video, man. If you enjoyed, you know what to do. Slap that like button. Like, come on, bro. There is no elephant in the room. Just slap the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and want to enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. Let me know what kind of videos you would like me to make in the comments below. And do not forget to click the Gleam link in the description if you're trying to enter in a Supreme TNF shoulder bag giveaway. After this one, I'm trying to bring a better giveaway to y'all. Just hold your horses. Once we reach 20,000 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna bring a bigger giveaway for y'all, I promise. But I guess that pretty much does it for this video, man. If you did enjoy, I'm not even gonna say it again. There's no elephant in the room. Subscribe down below for free. Like, it is free to do so. That's all I'm gonna say. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.